Hello everyone, thank you for joining us. As you can see, this is rats poisons. Okay, if you have issues with rats, please come forward. Let me show you how to get rid of rats. We have I want to show you three methods how to get rid of rats from your household. So this is rice. This is rice and some spaghetti. These are one of my baits. I'm going to keep this aside. Then, as you can see, this is bread, loaf of bread. Okay, this is also my bait. This is some chickens and some bones, something the rats cannot resist. Some spicy roasted chicken. So these are just my baits. You can use any other bait like fish. Okay, I don't have fish at the moment, so this is what I have. So beautiful people, I'm going to show you three ways to get rid of rats in your house. So these three ways, they have their advantages and disadvantages. Okay, like as you can see, this is called teacher special kill and dry. Okay, this is very effective, but it has its disadvantage. Okay, I will explain better why you should use this and why you should not use it. Okay, this is locally made. Okay, this is the trap. This one is a local one. You just set it. This is very easy and very effective. You see, so right now there is no bait. It's just a matter of putting some food on top. So whenever the rat goes there to try to eat it, in the process of eating it, it will trigger. It's because I'm protecting my hand. It will just like watch. So as I was saying, this is because of my hand. I don't want to trap my hand, so that is why I am putting my hand. So imagine if the trap is there, I want to remove my hand, it will do like this. You can see. So it's, I will explain how to set it up. So I'm just showing a brief intro. Then this is the lovely one. I love this, very effective too. Okay, I will show you how to get rid of it. So beautiful people, this is the rat glue. Okay, as you can see, rat and glue, this is very effective. I'll show you how to use it. So before I go further, let me explain the advantages and disadvantages. Okay, for those of you who have family, most especially kids, you know, kids, they can pick up anything on the ground, you know. So when you have kids, I will not advise you to make use of this, because this is poison. Okay, this is not good, because we are going to mix this with bait. So this is why I displayed my bait here. Okay, so if you have kids, try to avoid this. This is very very effective. But even though you want to use this, probably make sure maybe the kids are on holiday, they are not at home, and that is when you can use this. Because if kids go around here, it's going to be very fatal. So I won't recommend using this if you have children, you know, because kids, they can pick up things on the ground. So when you set your trap, they may not be able to differentiate whether this is normal food or a hen. So this is not too ideal for homes that have kids. Okay, so this one is very effective. Like I said, this one, you just have to keep it in a secret place where the rat will not be able to resist the bait. They will just go there, and once they tamper the bait, it will just trap them. You can see it will just trap them. That is how you can see it will, that's how it will just, you know, trap them. So this is very effective. Just ensure that kids are, where you put it, you can put it maybe under the cupboard where the kids may not go into. This third one is very effective. This one, you just put baits. Okay, you just put bait. This is how it works. When you open it, this is the glue rat. So the purpose of this is for the glue not to mix. So you can put your bait here, like you can put, this is chicken. Okay, you can put it at the center here. So when you put it at the center here, this is how to use this. You keep it in a secret place where you know the rats will always come. You can choose to add whatever bait. This is rice, you can put it there. You can put bread, whatever you have that, you know, a rat loves to eat. So the moment the rat goes in there, in the process of trying to eat the bait, the food, it will get glue to it and it cannot escape. You see, for me to touch it, you can see just a finger of it. So rat, in the process of trying to escape, it will get itself entangled into the trap and it will not be able to even we all know that rats, they have holes, so there's no way for the rats can carry this into their holes. That is how you see the rats inside there. So if you are able to, once you catch the trap, once you catch the rats, you can remove the rats manually, maybe by catching it manually and maybe exterminating it. Then you can reuse this up to like 3, 4, 5 times before the glue will dry off. Okay, so this is very easy and very effective. This one does not contain anything like poison. It's just normal food. Just put your regular food like fish, meat, bread, rice, whatever rat love to eat, just put it there. This one is very safe. Even where kids are, the food is, there is no poison to it, so even it's very safe. Okay, it's just very safe. So we'll just keep it like this. Let me just keep it somewhere here. So like that is very safe for the household. So this, I'm going to show you how to make use of this. This is our local trap. This is our local trap. So by doing it, this is a new one. So you raise this up. You can see. So you will just raise it up. Let me raise it up a little, so that why the rat is trying to struggle with the food. So this is bread. You can keep the bread here so that it cannot fall off. Okay, so it's time to set the trap. You see there, you can see here it has some sharp teeth here. So you raise it up like this. So this is how this is being set. Very easy, you can see. So like this, we can also keep it. I'm going to, this is another trap. This is the first one and this is the second one. So I'm going to set the third one. This third one is very unique. Special kill and dry. This one is very, very dangerous. So this one, for those of you like these two method here, if you have rats in your home and probably maybe you go on vacation or you go to work, you know, you step out of your house, you know, if these two methods, if you are able to catch the rats will going it will die after like maybe 2-3 days without eating other food. It will die, and when it dies, if you are not in the house, it may start to get smell. Okay, but this one is very, that is why they call it special. You can see special kill and dry. This one is let me take the paper off. Okay, let me say it more. So this is how it is. You can see I'm going to keep some. Okay, we'll use the right like this. Now you can spray it. Don't spray. I'm going to use some like this. Now when you keep this, so beautiful people, this is our first method, second method, and this is the third method. So this is also rat food designed for them. So I also added rice and spaghetti for them to, you know, for them not to be able to resist it. So let me explain further. This is a very dangerous trap for the rats. They can't resist this. Now when they eat this, you don't need to bother yourself any longer. As far as there's rats in the house and they eat this, they are gone. Once they eat this, within 24 hours, they will not get themselves again. It will start drying them up. They will just dry. They will, on the outside, on the natural, they will get sick. They will just get sick and they will die. And when they die, they will not smell. It will just dry up. That is the chemical here. It's very dangerous. This is why I said this method is not good for kids when you have kids in the house. So this one, once you keep it in a secret place and the rat goes there to eat it, you don't even need to, even though the rat dies there, even though there are up to 10 rats, you will never hear any smell. Very, you just like cockroach, dead cockroach. Sometimes we see some dead cockroach in the house. They don't get smell. That is how this one is. So it's very effective, but it's not good. Like I said, please, if you have kids, please try to avoid this. Or maybe when the kids have gone to maybe vacation, holiday, away from the house, this is not good for near kids. So these are my 3 methods. The first method, this is my first method, second method, and this is the third method. So whichever one that suits you most, please. Very effective. These 3 methods is very effective, and you just see your rats, it will be a thing of the past. So beautiful people, if you enjoyed this video, kindly like, share, comment, turn on the post notification bell so that whenever we post an interesting video like this, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you so much for watching. See you in our next video. Bye bye. Mwah.